The best of people is the one or those who are the most beneficial, who've benefited the rest of the people the most. So ask yourself, how many have I benefited? How many have I benefited? Hence, when Allah gives you position, don't ever be corrupt. Corruption is something that will destroy not your dunya but even your akhirah. Imagine Allah gave you a position of authority. Now you're pinching money, now you're stealing, now you're asking for bribes, now you're doing something that you know is wrong. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala strengthen all of us who are in authority. What happens? You're stealing from society, from community, from your nation. You might become wealthy, but your nation is suffering and struggling because you are corrupt. You are part of the problem, yet you are in authority. What have you done? How much are you going to amass? If it was wrong and you amassed 1 billion, you know what? You're only going to use 1 million. Your kids will be killing each other for that amount. Rather, I take a little bit less and I love it when others earn. I love to see others grow. I want to see others succeed. Then you will get Jannah, because those were also created by Allah just like you.